Pasik na nga ng PNP ang seguridad at kaligtasan na rin foreigners o rin daywan kaya kay lalawigan. At mabilog ang Central Luzon kapamilataning programang CASSN. Ay ning balita ng Patricia Mabangon.
The Philippine National Police formally launched the Community Assistance Safety and Support Network or CASSN at Station 4 of Angeles City Police Office in Barangay Balibago, Angeles City on June 19, 2025. Foreign communities across Angeles and Central Luzon expressed gratitude for the initiative, which aims to boost coordination with law enforcement and reinforce their safety.
This project will be very helpful to our Korean community because most of our Koreans have difficulties and hard time to communicate with the police, and because of the language barrier and also the lack knowledge about due process. But I'm sure this project will be very successful and very helpful, not only Koreans and other nationals also.
Our community, I think it's incumbent on my community to work better, learn better responsibility as far as how to conduct themselves, how to work with the police, and help them do their job.
CASSN is a flagship PNP program focused on crime prevention and community engagement. It serves as a strategic response to crimes affecting Filipino Chinese and other foreign nationals such as kidnapping, extortion, and culturally motivated violence.
This is a bold initiative by the Philippine National Police to safeguard and empower our Filipino, Chinese, and other Filipino foreign communities nationwide. The launch of CASN is a fruit of our commitment in action.
Through CASSN, the PNP commits to proactive policing, rapid response, and building stronger ties with local and foreign residents to ensure a safer environment for all. The launch was also supported by the Department of the Interior and Local Government and the Local Government of Angeles City. Ako po, Patricia Mabangon para King News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking Balen, susuyo.